Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to give access to your Google Forms, whether you want to collaborate with others or just share your form. Here's how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Google Forms and select the form you want to share from your list of documents. Next, in the top right corner of the form, on the Send button. This will open a dialog box with several options for sharing your form. Then, to give others access to edit your form, click on the Add Collaborators options. Enter the email of the address of the people you want to invite and choose whether they view or edit the form. If you just want to share the form for others to fill out, you can copy the link provided and send it to anyone via email, messaging apps, or social media. And that's how you give access to Google Forms. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.